Here's a quick step-by-step guide to remove saved passwords from your Google account. First, open any browser and go to passwords.google.com. Sign into your Google account if needed. This is where all your saved passwords are stored. Once you're inside Password Manager, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the website or app whose password you want to delete. Tap on the website name. You'll see your saved username and password. At the bottom, tap Delete or the trash icon. Google will ask you to confirm. Tap Delete again. That password is now completely removed from your account. You can also delete passwords directly from Google Chrome. Open Chrome, tap the three dots. Settings, Password Manager. Choose any website and tap Delete. This removes the password from your browser and your Google account. And that's it. Your saved passwords are now removed from Google Password Manager.